Hey everyone, Alex at Alf's Mustang Garage. Just wanted to post an update video for our friend Joe here in our blue 65 Mustang project. Give him a good look at the interior with the seats in. Still doing some finishing touches here with the cluster, and your master window switch is wired awaiting your console. But anyway, so the big news today is your engine is now running. So let's fire her up. Still needs some tuning on the carburetor. Belts sound like they need to be tightened up a little bit, but that's all just little things to kind of work the bugs out. But all in all, temperature's running good, oil pressure's running good. So yeah, this is really exciting. Big day today. Okay, hope that gets you excited there, and we will keep moving along and get this thing runnable.